Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Missouri tax residency. Moving to a new state can be exciting, but it's crucial to understand the tax implications that come with it. If you're planning to move to Missouri, or you're spending significant time in the Show Me state, knowing your tax residency status is essential. It directly impacts your financial responsibilities. In this video, we'll cover key aspects of how to establish and maintain your residency in Missouri, which will empower you to navigate state taxes with confidence. Firstly, let's define what tax residency in Missouri actually means. Tax residency determines which state has the right to tax your income, and in Missouri, it is established using specific criteria. One primary way the state assesses residency is through the statutory residency test. If you are present in Missouri for more than 183 days during the tax year, you may be deemed a statutory resident for tax purposes. This standard helps both you and the tax authorities have a clear understanding of your residency status, adhering to a common threshold observed in many states across the U.S. In addition to the 183-day rule, Missouri employs a domicile test, which looks beyond just the number of days spent in the state. Your domicile is your permanent legal home, the place where you intend to return after temporary absences. This assessment considers multiple factors, including where your primary home is located, how much time you spend in Missouri compared to other states, and whether you have significant business connections in Missouri. Your family's location and the personal property you maintain also play pivotal roles in defining your domicile. Now, if you are serious about establishing your tax residency in Missouri, there are several proactive steps you can take. Start by obtaining a Missouri driver's license soon after you move, as this clearly signals your intent to reside in the state. Additionally, registering to vote in Missouri shows civic commitment and helps establish your residency claim. Make sure to file your Missouri state tax returns as a resident once your residency is set, and consider securing a permanent home in the state. This commitment solidifies your stance as a Missouri resident. Finally, it's important to understand the tax implications that come with being a Missouri resident. The state has a progressive income tax system, where rates can vary from 0% to 5.4% based on your income. Moreover, property tax rates are relatively moderate but can differ by location. As a resident, you'll also be liable for sales and use tax. If you've moved to Missouri partway through the tax year, be aware of the rules for part-year residents to ensure you report your income correctly. Remember, proper documentation and tracking your time spent in Missouri are crucial in reinforcing your residency status and avoiding tax complications.